Tired of project files lost in email chains and chaotic shared drives? Let's ditch the mess and master file uploads in Basecamp. First, navigate to the Basecamp project where you want to upload your files. Click on the project name from your main dashboard. Next, find the Documents and Files section. It's usually located prominently on the project's overview page. Click on it. Once inside the Documents and Files section, look for the Upload Files button. It's typically a large, clear button designed for easy access. Click on it. Your computer's File Explorer or Finder window will pop up now. Browse your computer and select the file or files you want to upload. You can usually select multiple files at once. After selecting your files, click Open or Upload. Basecamp will begin uploading your files. You'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once the upload is complete, your files will appear in the Documents and Files section. You can now easily share them with your team, add descriptions, and even create folders to organize everything neatly. Click on the file name, and you can add a description to give more context to the file. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded files to Basecamp, keeping your project organized and your team on the same page. Say goodbye to file chaos.